We are now going to get into one of my most favorite genres, narrative nonfiction. I love this one because you're reading a story, so it's very entertaining, but you're receiving facts and information. Usually we will be reading about someone's life, and so you're receiving this timeline, this sequence, and all of these events that this person did, but it would be more story-like. So we would have a plot, characters, setting, all that good stuff, and a problem and solution, events in chronological order. So that'll be our focus for this week, our genre focus. And more specifically, we're going to get into the structure that an author uses to write a narrative nonfiction. So today's structure that we are focusing on is called descriptive text. I actually want to start with this one. So descriptive text is where we are using our 5 senses to tell how something feels, tastes, smells, looks, or sounds. We do this through adjectives. I know Miss Miranda has taught you about this. Adjective is where we are describing a noun or another adjective by telling its color, size, how it feels, how it tastes, how it sounds, or how it behaves. This is why reading and writing go so well together, because descriptive text could be in your story that you're reading, or it could be what you use in order to become a stronger writer. So here we have a descriptive text about a loggerhead turtle. So it is telling us its appearance. We have descriptions about its habitat. We have description about the diet and food that it eats, and its weight. It says 200 to 350 pounds. Today we will be reading about astronaut Mae Jemison. Mae was the first African-American female astronaut. What do you know about astronauts? So I'm going to give you about 30 seconds to turn and talk with a buddy. And if you're at home, you can talk with someone who is watching this with you or someone in your home, or you can just write it down on your own notebook. You're going to, in class, turn and talk with a buddy without getting out of your area. And you are going to tell them, what do you know about astronauts? Go. I'm going to give you about 5 seconds to wrap it up. Alrighty, moving on. Let's see here. You are now going to think and talk about what do you want to be when you grow up? What do you think you need to be good at for that job? So you are going to get about 1 minute to discuss that with a partner. And I am going to end the video here. Once that minute is up, we are going to move on to the next video.